Welcome to our comprehensive Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll cover two effective methods for managing text in your spreadsheets. First, we'll delve into using Excel formulas to replace all characters before the first match of a specific character. Then, we'll streamline the process using the Find and Replace feature. Whether you're a data analyst or simply looking to clean up your datasets, these methods are indispensable for anyone working with text in Excel. Let's kick off with our first method, dynamic text replacement with formulas. This method is perfect for those who need a more automated approach to text manipulation. We'll show you how to create a formula that can identify and replace characters before a specific character occurs, allowing for dynamic updates to your data. Our formula will combine the power of substitute, left, and find functions. These functions work together to pinpoint the exact location of a specific character within a text string and replace the preceding text with a new string of your choice. The find function is crucial as it identifies the position of the first occurrence of a character in a text string. For example, the formula equals find B1, 1 will return the position of the first comma within the text in cell B1. The left function then extracts all characters to the left of the identified character. For example, the formula equals left B1, find B1, 1 will extract all text before the first comma. Finally, the substitute function replaces the extracted text with a new string. By using the formula equals substitute B1, left B1, find B1, 1, 1, Excel how, 1. We replace the first occurrence of the old text with Excel how. Now, let's move on to our second method, efficient bulk text editing with find and replace. This method is ideal for those who need to perform quick and widespread text replacements without the need for complex formulas. To use this feature, navigate to the Home tab, click on Find and select, and choose Replace. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box, where you can input your search criteria and replacement text. In the Find and Replace window, type E** into the Find What field to search for all text before a comma. Then, enter Excel how into the Replace with field to specify the text you want to replace it with. With your search and replacement criteria set, click Replace All. Excel will then replace all instances of text before the first comma with Excel how across your selected range. That's it! You've learned how to replace text before a specific character in Excel using both formulas and the Find and Replace command. This technique is useful for cleaning up and formatting data in your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try these methods with your own Excel files. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.